Hello everyone and welcome to episode 3 of Apex Luxury TV. We are back at the beautiful kitchen at 17 Spinnaker Lane in Yarmouth.
Today we have Gabrielle Michaud. Her company is A Little Suga. She is a baker and she's here with a really special project to tell us about.
Yeah, thank you guys for having me. So in 2004, my family lost my oldest brother to a traumatic brain injury. Since 2004, I had consistently tried to figure out what I could do to remember him. And I got into baking years and years later, and I remember one day just going to my mom and saying, I want to do something to remember TJ. And I was like, and I want to make sunflower sugar cookies, because I was getting into the sugar cookie scene, and it's the one thing that I could really think that would get people's eye. So I did them for the first year 3 years ago, I think 3 or 4 years ago, and it went amazing. And basically what I did for this sunflower project is people who bought the cookies, I donated after taxes and costs to Donate Life New England, which is a really important thing for TJ's story. TJ was an organ donor. And, in situations like that, my parents had to make a quick decision about it, and they made the best decision that my family could ever imagine for remembering him. And it was obviously tough to have to say goodbye to him, but knowing that he was able to donate his heart, liver, pancreas, tissue, his corneas, that was really important for us, and I'm really grateful that my parents were able to make that decision. And I wanted to raise awareness for everybody else so that other people would know how important it is. As sad as it is to lose somebody that you love, it's an even greater gift in my eyes to be able to give the gift of life. And so I started doing these cookies, and the first year I think I raised maybe $500 or $600, and then I took a year off from doing them, and then the following year I did it again, and I raised I think almost $1,500. So my goal this year is to raise around $2,000, which I think would be awesome. And what I do is May 9th is the day that he passed away. I donate the money in his name on that day.
So right now we're at March 11th when we're filming this. So tell everyone watching who would love to support this beautiful project of yours how they can get the cookies from you.
So Donate Life Month starts in April. So April 1st, these will be on my website. It's alittle.suga.com, and you can purchase them through there. And on there, I'll have different pickup dates for the cookies. And you can just swing by, grab your cookies. I'm going to do 4 to a box for $20.
And if people out of state would like them, do you do a shipping option?
No, I don't. But if people from out of state who are in Boston, I will be going down to Boston April 18th, so that is always an option. I can do a drop-off if people want to come meet me. I can do that.
I know we do have a lot of Boston folk that are part of the Apex family, so that is great for them.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so maybe let's just jump in and take us through your process of making these beautiful.
Yeah, so I already have one semi-prepared, and I have my royal icing bag. So all I'm gonna do, I have this amazing little turntable that my mom bought me when I insisted that I didn't need it. And I definitely need it. Yeah. So basically all I'm going to do is just spin as I...
You have a very steady hand.
I know. It's very hard to do this while standing. I'm usually sitting down doing all these. So basically all I'm doing is just going around the petals.
And so while you're doing that, I just want to say quickly, the website, Suga is spelled S-U-G-A.
Yes. So it's really interesting. I think it's kind of cool that people get to see this process, because people think that it can be really quick and easy, but it's very time consuming, and you have to be really patient with it. So after I have it all outlined, I'm just going to go through and fill.
They're made with love.
Yes, they
Which
are.
are.
Every cookie is definitely made with love and
Good.
patience.
Did you say why you chose sunflower?
No, I didn't. Sunflowers were my brother's favorite. He would always be chewing the seeds, and we would constantly find spit out seeds all around the house, or like in his car. He always had a bag with him. It was something that he was really into, and it just kind of became a thing.
You can see this beautiful end result. This is so special.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing your story with us.
We need more feel-good stories like this. We need more good people like you. In TG's beautiful honor, remind all of our viewers how they can get these beautiful cookies.
So the cookies will be live on my website, alittle.suga.com, April 1st. Probably around 7 o'clock it will be posted.
And this is 2020. And if you're watching this past the date, stay tuned for next year. And we'll just keep it going.
Yes.
And best luck with reaching your goal. We'll do everything we can.
Let's reach that goal.
And organ donation is key. And again,
Absolutely.
thank you for joining us at 17 Spinnaker Lane in Yarmouth. This house is available for your summer 2020 vacation rentals, as well as many other properties. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you next time.